Thinking of investing in gold but don't want the hassle of physical bars or jewelry? Let's talk about the Emirates Nbd Gold Investment Account, your digital gateway to gold in 2025. This account lets you invest in real gold without storing or securing it yourself. You buy and sell gold digitally with prices directly linked to global gold rates. Perfect for those who want flexibility and convenience without handling physical assets. Real-time pricing. Buy or sell based on live market rates. No storage fees. Since it's digital, there's no physical handling. Fully backed by physical gold. Your holdings are legit, stored securely by Emirates Nbd. Low minimum investment. Start small and scale up as you go. Instant liquidity. Sell anytime and you enjoy the funds straight to your account. You can open a gold investment account through the Emirates Nbd mobile app or online banking. No paperwork, no long queues, just a few taps and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a smart, secure, and easy way to invest in gold, this might be the account for you. If this video helps, don't forget to like and follow for more investment reviews. Thank you for watching.